So we're continuing on with the mind-body connection series. And this time we're going to talk first about anxiety. So anxiety can indeed be a challenging and overwhelming experience for some, often rooted in a lack of trust in the natural flow and process of life. It manifests as a persistent fear, one that seems to have no tangible cause, leaving individuals in a state of constant anticipation of some unseen danger. Living with anxiety can feel like being trapped in a cycle of worry, unable to fully engage with the present moment. The mind becomes preoccupied with past experiences or future possibilities, creating a sense of unease and apprehension. However, it's important to recognize that much of this fear is groundless, stemming from our own imagination rather than actual threats in our immediate surroundings. Now, when you feel anxiety creeping in, it's essential to bring awareness to the present moment. Acknowledge that your worries are projections of the mind, preventing you from fully experiencing the beauty and potential of the now. Remember, you are not alone in this struggle. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. You are worthy and deserving of peace and contentment, just like everyone else. So learning to trust your intuition and stepping into the unknown can be a powerful antidote to anxiety. Embrace uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and exploration rather than a source of fear. Have faith in yourself and those around you, allowing others to support you in their own unique ways. So seeking help and guidance from trusted individuals or professionals can also be beneficial in managing anxiety. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. By cultivating trust in yourself and the world around you, you can gradually loosen the grip of anxiety and find greater peace and fulfillment in life. So now let's talk about depression, which sometimes kind of goes along with anxiety. And depression is a complex and often misunderstood condition, from underlying emotions such as anger and hopelessness contributing to this manifestation. It's crucial to recognize the common symptoms associated with depression, including a loss of interest or pleasure in everyday activities, feelings of hopelessness or despair, exhaustion, difficulty concentrating, and withdrawal from social interactions. At the core of depression lies unresolved emotional pain, often stemming from past experiences and relationships, particularly with opposite-sex parents. This unresolved emotional baggage can lead individuals to harbor feelings of anger, bitterness, and resentment, which may manifest as depression. It's not uncommon for those experiencing depression to project their unresolved issues onto their spouses or significant others, exacerbating their emotional turmoil. The decision to retreat into depression is often a subconscious attempt to escape from overwhelming emotional pressure. However, this retreat only serves to perpetuate the cycle of suffering as the individual becomes increasingly isolated and resistant to seeking help. Instead of addressing the root causes of their pain, they continue to feed into destructive thoughts and emotions, leading to a deepening sense of despair and self-loathing. It's essential for individuals struggling with depression to recognize the importance of seeking professional help and support. Through therapy, counseling, and medication can provide valuable tools and strategies for coping with depression and addressing underlying issues. By confronting and processing unresolved emotional wounds, individuals can gradually release the heavy burden of depression and find a path towards healing and recovery. While depression may feel insurmountable at times, it's important to remember that there is hope and support available. By taking proactive steps towards addressing your emotional pain and seeking help from trusted professionals and loved ones, individuals can reclaim their sense of agency and begin to rebuild their lives with renewed purpose and vitality. So in my membership, we place a real strong emphasis on healing and understanding depression. We recognize that depression is a complex and multifaceted condition, often rooted in unresolved emotional pain and challenging life experiences. Through our programs and resources, we provide a supportive environment where individuals can explore the underlying causes of their depression and learn effective coping strategies to manage their symptoms. In the membership, we focus on understanding and addressing the 5 factors that can contribute to depression, including both external and internal influences. So by addressing these 5 factors comprehensively, our membership offers a holistic approach to depression treatment and prevention. Through personalized interventions, education, and support, we empower our members to explore the underlying causes of their depression and develop strategies for promoting long-term emotional well-being. Our approach to depression focuses on addressing not only the symptoms, but also the root causes of the condition. We believe in the importance of understanding the role of past experiences, relationships, and emotional wounds in shaping one's mental health. By fostering self-awareness and introspection, our members can begin to unravel the layers of their depression and embark on a journey of healing and transformation. Through a combination of guided meditation, educational resources, and community support, we empower our members to reclaim their sense of agency and take proactive steps towards improving their mental well-being. Our membership community serves as a safe and compassionate space where individuals can share their experiences, receive validation and support, and connect with others who are on a similar healing journey. Together, we work towards breaking the stigma surrounding depression and fostering a culture of understanding, acceptance, and resilience. I know all about all of this. I too have experienced depression in my lifetime, so I understand how it feels to be in it and how to feel when it's getting out of the depression. There is a way through it. You just have to put yourself first and take those steps that you need for yourself. You don't need to live with it. As long as you know the 5 factors that are contributing to your depression and anxiety, you can remove those and get better in a short period of time or a long period of time, depending on how long you have been in your depression. So check out wellnesshealingcircle.com. I do have a free guidebook for you, and it's on mental health and energy healing and how those two work together. So it might give you a little bit more information. So it's a free download. Just go to the website, check it out, and I hope to get any information too that I can that's going to help you. For now, be well.